Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to archive a channel in Slack. So first, what you want to do is go to any channel that you want. So let's say I'm gonna archive this channel. So just right click on it and click on view channel details, then click on the settings tab right here. Then as you can see here on at the bottom, there's an archive channel for everyone option. So click on that and click on archive channel, and boom, it's now archived. And if you want to like unarchive it, so just click on channels right here, click on manage, then click on browse channels. This will pop up, then set this one on the middle, like the filter, click on it and click on archive. And as you can see, the archive channels right here. So if you want to unarchive it, click on it, click on its name here, go to settings again, then click on unarchive this channel. And boom, it's now back. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.